Hi, we will continue with part 2 of the video lessons. So now I would like to show how we can assign VLANs to port. So basically, if you look into the previous videos, all of the PCs will be attached to this port number in associated switch, and the port will be assigned in this lab the different VLAN that we have created earlier on. So here we can assign the VLAN by configuring the interface as access port first and assign the VLAN as follows. So we go to the port numbers and we assign the switch port mode. In this case, because the switch port is connected to the end device, hence the reason why we assign access mode to that particular port. Now, once we already set the access mode, we need to assign the VLAN to that particular port. So the command is switch port access VLAN 10. So that's all. We only have 3 steps. First, go to the interface. Second, assign the mode for the port, and the third, switch port mode for the port. And next, we assign VLAN number to that particular port. So let us demonstrate how we can do that. So basically, this is the configuration for switch 1. I have, if I issue the command show VLAN brief, you can see that I have created all of the required VLAN as in the lab notes. So the first thing that you have to understand that in assigning the port to the VLAN, if we look back at the topology here, we do not have to assign access mode to S1 because S1 is the networking device, function as a networking device that connect both switches. So basically here, if the S1 is not connected to any end device, so basically we do not need to assign access mode to any of the port. Okay, so now, and because of that, in this in assigning the VLAN number, we will only assign the VLAN number to the port that has access mode, which is switch 2 and also switch 3. So let me close the switch 1, CLI for switch 1. So I'll start with switch 2. So first I will configure the port for PC1, which is FA011. Okay, cannot go back and forth. You just need to check your lab notes and see what are the port number for each PCs. The command is interface FA011, and we assign the mode. So basically, we type a command switch port mode, and if I ask for help, you can see that you actually can assign 4 types of switch port mode, which is access, dynamic. Under dynamic, we have dynamic auto and also dynamic desirable, and also trunk. Okay, so what it means by unconditionally, it means that it is a static mode assignment, which is permanent to that particular port. So now we choose switch port mode access, and we will assign the VLAN number switch port access VLAN 10. We repeat the assignment for fast Ethernet 018 and also fast Ethernet 06, because we would like to assign VLAN number 20 and 30 to the other ports. Right? So I'll continue configuring the port, configuring the VLAN on the port. So interface FA018. Again, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. And lastly, interface FA06. Again, we will assign access mode to that particular port, and we will assign VLAN 30 to that particular port as well. Now, I'll do the same for switch tree. Okay, I'll do the same for switch tree. So we just need to repeat because the part number assignment is the same, FA011, FA018, FA06. So it just make things faster, right? Okay. So first we go for interface FA011, switch port. Now I'll just use a short command. Switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 10, interface FA018, switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 20, and finally interface FA06, switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 30. I'll just use short form because I already showed the full configuration when I configure switch 2. Now, the next step is once we have assigned the data VLAN to all of the 3 ports, the next step is we want to assign the voice VLAN. Okay, so if we look into the network topology here on S3, IP phone is connected to FA011. So basically, this port will carry both data and also voice. Now, for better quality of service. So now what we want to do is we want to set FA011, we want to assign it to 2 VLANs, which is first the data VLAN of VLAN 10 and also the voice VLAN of VLAN 150. So the command for you to do that is we go to that particular port and then we type MLS QoS trust COS. So basically we want to enable the quality of service to prioritize the voice data. And also we assign the VLAN, the voice VLAN to that particular port. So now on switch 3, I'll go to FA011 port. And then we enable the QoS service. And we assign the voice VLAN to that particular port. So I'll just type in full. Okay. Finally, we would like to verify the connectivity between the PCs in the same VLAN. So I'll just test with PC1. So I'll try to ping PC1 to PC4. So you notice that here the port is in amber. So you just fast forward. Okay, you just fast forward. Now, I'll try to ping again because earlier in the first part of the video lesson, you already see that we are able to ping PC1 to PC4. But if I were to ping again from PC1 to PC4, 172.17.10.24. So the ping fails. So the ping fails. So in the lab notes, it actually asks why. Okay, because although we already assigned all the parts to the appropriate VLAN, so the ping is not successful. Let's check first. Okay, I haven't checked earlier on. Let us check whether we have assigned to show VLAN brief. So we did assign FA06 to guests, FA018 to students, FO011 to faculty or staff VLAN, but it seems like um, there's no connectivity between PCs in the same VLAN. So why it happens? So I'll give the answer in the next video lesson.